April 22nd.
Wow! Oh, shit, sorry.
JB is currently applying for jobs, but while he does that, I am going to just get ready for the day. But I thought I'd just catch you up and tell you where we're at in terms of moving to Brisbane while I get ready, because, you know, gotta make it somewhat entertaining. Last week we viewed a house. I did talk about it, an apartment, which I talked about in the first vlog from moving to Brisbane. Basically, we got approved for it. We got approved for it. Moving in there tomorrow, which is super exciting. It's actually good that we found a place, because now we know exactly where we'll be located, which means there'll probably be a wee bit of a house tour, apartment tour tomorrow, which is cool, exciting. It's not going to be much of a tour. It is a small apartment, but it's like the perfect size for me and JB. What else has been happening? So we went to Movie World, which the vlog will be posted before this vlog, because I edited it yesterday. No, I posted it yesterday, so it's definitely going to be up before this vlog, which was awesome. Incredibly terrifying, some of the rides, but that's coming from somebody who's never been on a roller coaster in her life. And we have signed up to a gym, so we've got gym memberships now at Snap Fitness. Oh, and also every single day we've been walking to the studio apartment we're staying at now, walking from Brisbane City to here. And basically right now we're in Spring Hill, and from Brisbane City it's just basically an uphill walk the whole way here, because we couldn't find a bus for the life of us that would bring us from the city to Spring Hill. The day before we move out of this apartment, we have discovered a bus that's free as well, that goes from Brisbane City to like just down the street from where we live. No hills needed. We're a bit annoyed that we didn't find out about it, you know, when we first got here, but that's okay. So yeah, basically I think that caught us up for where we're at now. Today is probably just going to be a bit of a chill day. We've gone to the gym this morning, but we'll probably be applying for jobs, pack up everything, because we'll obviously be moving tomorrow. That's pretty much everything. I ramble a lot, so good morning. We're moving to our new apartment, so we've packed up everything. This place has been great for the last couple of days, but I'm excited to get out of here.
Honestly.
Dude up there was literally like renovating at 10:30 at night. So yeah, we are about to head off to pick up the keys to the new apartment. We're taking a couple of little bags with us, and then we'll come back and grab the rest on a second trip. But yeah, let's go. We just arrived at our apartment. Oh my goodness. So we're on the 6th floor.
Actually, a pretty nice view of construction.
Yeah, so what they're doing, I just read it when we were going past, they're building a whole like brand new central station right across the street from us. So you got lights, and it's nice moody lights, it's not crazy. This is the kitchen. This is our bedroom.
It's a double!
I know, this is nice. Just a little bathroom in here. Oh, we do have a bath.
What?
I didn't think we had a bath. And we got laundry, little sink, mirror. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy.
Are you happy?
We're officially living together now.
We've officially brought all of our stuff here. We are, yeah, here. We're stuck here for 9 months with this right here. 9 months. Help. Shall we go shopping? Are you so excited for shopping?
I'm just hungry. Can we just get food, please?
Yeah. Let's go get food. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're in our apartment. You're on our fridge. Basically, we just went and spent a little bit of money to get some necessities for our apartment. So you get a little haul.
She's going to show you, but here's one of them.
We got 4 packs of coat hangers, a bunch of utensils, tongs, And masher, I'm super excited to make mashed potatoes. I want to make it. Lingerie basket, duvet inner, a pillow, a pillow, a pillow, and another pillow, pillowcases, and a sheet, a bag. And I think that was everything.
Yeah.
It is day 2 in our new apartment, and we were supposed to get groceries yesterday, but we were far too tired after setting up. Yeah, we were supposed to get these groceries yesterday, but we were just too tired after having to bring everything in, set up, buy the TV, bring the TV here. We did get a couple of things, but we've done our big, actual lot of groceries today.
You should have just laid it out, and then you should have just shown the camera.
Oh my god, you're a genius. Let's do
cut.
that. Still not gonna do it. Okay, so now that JB had the genius idea of laying out all the groceries, first, I've done that. We just spent over $200, just over $200. 212 to be specific. Thank you, JB. We didn't get any meat or veggies and stuff. We got a little bit of fruit, but we're gonna do another shop because we also have to like walk to our apartment or call an Uber, and it's not a lot of stuff here for 2 people to carry. So basically, this is everything we got. Some cleaning supplies, herbs and spices and stuff, and sauces, oils, what have you, to get all that ready. Snacks. More cleaning stuff at the back there. That's our fruit, some crackers, back then the spaghetti, some wraps, some pasta.
Plus every Italian off.
So we've put everything away. Just gonna put basically the rubbish away, but the rubbish bin's like all the way downstairs, so we're gonna take that out later. So we have officially moved into our apartment. JB's currently cooking us dinner. We're having sausages and mashed potato tonight. And mixed veggies. I'm gonna show you our apartment because now it's kind of set out how we like it. We've got pretty much everything here, and we've been building Lego, so you know, now there's decor. Door's just here. You see our lovely kitchen, our beautiful flowers. There's the rest of our flowers here. This is our little lounge area. TV's there. We're in the kitchen where JB is cooking up a delicious feed. Delicious. And I'll take you outside last. This is the bedroom with a double wardrobe, very handy, and there's also drawers under the bed, so we've got plenty of storage for our clothes. And just through there is the bathroom. It's got our washer and dryer in here, little, you know, clothing rack, the sink. Just behind the door is the shower and bath, and of course the definitely needed toilet. A nice view outside our window. There's currently construction going on at the train station across the road, but a very nice view out there. I'll take you to the balcony. It's obviously getting dark, so don't mind that. This is our little balcony. Little table and chairs. Currently we've got suitcases sitting here because we've got nobody to put them inside. This is our view. That's our apartment. She's, you know, small, but oh, it's actually, to be fair, she's not that small. It's just a 1 bedroom. The kitchen's pretty big, the lounge area is pretty big, so we've got plenty of space to muck around. Hey.
Yeah.
Right. We're gonna have dinner and go to bed. Bye.